I am on top of the Siegessäule, which is, and you can hear these sirens in the background. I'm really here, it's not virtual reality. And it's cool to be just in this amazing place known for the YouTube video, for the incredible views of Berlin, and for this beautiful golden angel on top of the city. So check it out. I just made a so awesome souvenir, a 3D render, a photogrammetry portrait of the base of the Siegessäule, of this incredible mosaic here behind me. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. It took me like 2 minutes. I did 700 photos back to back to back to back, and then I walked around. There was a little bit of a stitching error. I'll show you guys in the video, you'll see, but the end result is that now I have a AR model, I have a GLTF file, I have all these awesome export file possibilities, and it's of a place that is super special to me, and I can share this with anyone. They can visit in AR, they can put it into their game engine, they can do whatever they want with it. Thank you, Polycam. This is really exciting, and I love being able to create unique memories of places that are virtual and digital, but also physical. So pick a place that you like, you know, take all the photos or video and convert it into a Polycam model. It's really fun. And just behind me, you've got the Siegessäule, which I just climbed. And I took a 3D model there. I did a 3D scan, and it was pretty amazing because I had never done that before at a big monument with Polycam. And you know, I'm just thinking about some tips for when you are trying to make models and you're in a touristy place or you're in a public place. I'm walking through the Tiergarten Park right now, and so you can see that it's winter, and actually maybe that's one of the best tips is like, don't feel like you need to make these kinds of videos, or not videos, I guess, make these kinds of 3D models, 3D photography, photogrammetry when it's summer. You know, the winter doesn't really affect monuments that much. They look pretty awesome, and so that doesn't really matter. And you know, you can still have a really great model even if you're not you know, there in the sunny days or during a sunny day. Pretty cool to be here, actually. And let's see, that's tip number 1. So don't worry about the time of year. Number 2, I would say, I guess always obviously go at a time when there's nobody there if you can. And I'm walking along all these beautiful oak tree leaves right now. I don't know if you can see these. These are so pretty. Look at this. This is a German oak leaf. Eiche, I think. So awesome.